Well, it's a very warm, humid weekend, but officially it's now hot. We hit our first 90 of the season today. Is that warm, humid weather pattern sticking around, and do we have any rain? We'll talk about that in a few seconds. 13 weather ball is blinking bright for late night showers and thunderstorms in sight, and they'll be around a good portion of the day tomorrow. It's also green, and that means no change to the very warm, humid weather pattern foreseen. This view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast 87 today, made at 90, just made within 3 degrees of your 3-degree guarantee, and that's 2 days in a row with your 3-degree guarantee. Long range outlook, let's talk about that before the heat and humidity. This is for the month of July. It's been updated from earlier last month. From July 1 through July 31, there's a slightly higher chance we could see cooler than average temperatures. During that time period, highs right around 82 to 83 for the entire month. So maybe not quite as warm as it will be this week. In terms of rainfall, it looks like there's an equal chance we could see more or less rainfall. Big bullseye of higher probability off to our west. That doesn't mean that we won't get any rain, but it just means there's no real climate signal to indicate anything other than a typical July. Tomorrow, though, we're going to start out with a chance of a shower or a thunderstorm. We may see them calm down around the noon hour and then pick up again in the afternoon. High temperatures down a few degrees in the mid-80s, but very high humidity. You can see scattered to isolated showers and thunderstorms, some in the morning and again later on in the afternoon. They'll linger into the evening, so just about everyone will see some showers and thunderstorms very late tonight or certainly tomorrow, and then just some pop-up storms on Wednesday and Independence Day. But more thunderstorms likely Friday. That's out ahead of a cold front that will bring us to a dry, a little bit less humid weekend, but still on the humid side. We're tracking these thunderstorms right now moving across southern Minnesota into central Wisconsin. These are going to make it into West Michigan, unlike the last several rounds. And here in Grand Rapids, we've not had a lot of rain in the last 10 days or so. I know there's been a lot more off to the north and south, but this band of showers and thunderstorms along a stationary front is just kind of slowly creeping to the south. This is 11 o'clock, nothing going on. Up around 4 o'clock, we start to see a few of these work their way on in. So it may be a wet morning commute, but we'll get a little bit of a break. A few more showers and storms popping up during the mid to late afternoon, and then this area will come through in the late afternoon, and there is a slight risk, or a marginal risk, I should say, lowest risk for severe weather during the day tomorrow. I think the main threat will be some gusty winds, some heavy downpours if you do get one of these, and perhaps some gusty winds as well. And these are going to continue into the evening before that entire boundary shifts to the south. We'll have less of a chance on Wednesday and Thursday for any showers and storms. But you can see the dew points going to be jumping up into the low 70s here tomorrow for a very humid day, and they'll stay around 70 right on through Wednesday with highs generally in the mid 80s. For tomorrow then, showers and isolated thunderstorms, upper 70s to near 80 north, 83 the warm spot there in Holland. Up north you can expect upper 70s to low 80s with on and off showers and storms with light and variable winds, and from Grand Rapids southward we'll make the low and mid 80s down a notch or two from what we saw during the day today. 13 on your side forecast. Mid-80s right on through the weekend, although by Saturday and Sunday we'll see the humidity come down a little bit and through much of next week. Highest chances for rain tomorrow and again on Friday and the following Tuesday night as another cold front comes through the area.